Sneakers app, you guys should definitely make it a loyalty point account system, because Champs, Adidas, Foot Locker, everywhere else does it. So you guys might want to hop on that train just to, you know, make your customers a little bit more happier. What's poppin', everybody? It is Flacko's Flicks and Kicks here yet again with another bang bang. If this is your first time on my channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I also am doing a giveaway. The giveaway is going to be over on March 29th, and the giveaway is for a pair of retro ones. I know you're curious, what pair of retro ones could that be? I'm not telling until March 29th, so hang out, stick around, wait around till March 29th. All the giveaway info is in my description below. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and dive into this unboxing. Quit the talking, start unboxing these Air Max 90s. 90. Stop the talking, let's unboxing and do the Air Max 90 if you feel me, mind me. If you mind me. Hashtag bars. I'm gonna spit for you guys on camera once I secure the bag with my bars, okay? I got you guys, no worries.
I'm in town, yeah. Party's going down. Shoot them down with a 50 round. Run the town.
Back home smoking legal. I got more slaps than the Beatles. Foreign shit running on diesel, dog. Playing with my niggas.
Finger ring shit like a sink. You a bad bitch, then we can link. Hit the shower, you might stink. Bitch bag and they all might great. Now she said that the Uzi so great. Okay, your girlfriend like me.
Get it on the dots. Put that foreign out that lot. Move the family to the docks.
Brain ain't worried about you. I'ma do what I do, and I do my thing. Bought a brand new shoes, told her kick rocks, don't stand too close. Diamonds, kickbox ain't red me.
Wow. I didn't know the texture of it was gonna look like this. This is something that's pretty much different. It's like a cotton satin. I like it. It's like a digital satin cotton material. Like it's a nice material that's on the shoe. Do you see this sexy ooey gooey goodness that's on there? This is bang bang. Looking at the Air Max 90 landing on Mars, the texture of the bottom sole looks like it's going to have like a little type of space effect on it. Like the bottom sole has a space effect where it's like craters or a different texture. It's gonna have the same Air Max 90 look to the shoe. Black midsole, but then it's like gray dots. So it's like being in space and seeing stars and craters and everything else. And then you will have that 90 air bubble that's on there. If we go to the upper sole of the shoe, it's just ridiculously crazy how soft this is. I can't say I've ever owned a pair of Air Max 90s. If I haven't bought a pair of Air Max 90s because I haven't came across a pair that actually were made for me. If you look at it, it looks so crazy. And I know that this is like a reflective material that's on the actual upper sole of the shoe, but it's crazy because I didn't think that it'd feel or look like this texture wise. It's a whole nother different shoe compared to what you're used to seeing. And this is actually the first pair of shoes that it actually looks good. I'm not seeing any extra glue or any weird things on there, that they actually did the job that they were supposed to do when they were creating this shoe. The way the Air Max 90 is built, it's like an imprint. So it was all built with like a bubble imprint in it. So it looks like it, but it's just all together. So there's no separation when it comes to the upper sole of the shoe. When you look at the shoelaces, they're just regular shoelaces that's on there, but you actually get two pairs of shoelaces. One is gonna be black, and then the other one are gonna be orange with the reflective on there, which is dope, so you can switch it up for any time. I think they should have did the black with the reflective on there too, so therefore you can varietize it, mix it up, mix and match it. Then if we look at the tongue of the shoe, coming up you'll see the whole, like I said, the whole like satin material is gonna be throughout the whole shoe. And then you'll see the Nike check around the tongue, the Nike with the swoosh, the logo, but it's in a gray, like it's like a gray astronaut feel. Something that I actually appreciate. I know I've never really done a review on Air Max 90s, given to granted this is more than likely my very first pair of Air Max 90s. that I really love because the detail and the work that went into this shoe was freaking amazing. One thing I wish they did, they gave us a different box. Like the basic Nike box, like if this is something that's like a dope limited edition thing, you should have gave us a fire box. Like I said, I'm all about marketing and packaging the boxes and everything. Feel of the shoe after the whole short intermission, this shoe is fire. It's fire. It's nothing that I can complain about this shoe. It's freaking fire. This is a fabulous shoe. I like the texture of it, the whole midsole with the craters that's built into it. They went into detail when they made this shoe, and Nike, you did a good job. You did a great job with this one. You didn't hold back. You did what you were supposed to do, and you brought the shoe as promised. This is definitely a one of a kind, something that you keep, something that you want to keep for later. These are definitely probably a pair of one of my grails for the year. We just have to see what keeps on coming this year. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, like it, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with somebody, a fellow sneakerhead, fellow sneaker friends that you have. Tell them about my page because I'm all down about joining and creating a new family. And again, guys, like I said, I am doing a giveaway. Make sure you follow everything for the giveaway. It's all in my description below, and all my social media sites, everything is all going to be in my description below. Thank you guys for hanging out. I'll catch you guys next video, next review. No telling what we're doing, but I will see you soon. Flacko out.